Good morning, lovely kids. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will revise about living things and non-living things. Okay? We see many things around us like human, book, dog, house and trees. Some of these are living things while some of these are non-living things. Living things that have life is called living things. Things like human, trees and animals are living things. Non-living things that do not have life is called non-living things. Things like book, house and pens are non-living things. Okay? Living things can move. Living things can grow. Living things needs food and water to live. Living things can breathe. Living things can feel. Living things can reproduce their young ones. Non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things can move. Animals have their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide and swim by their body. Okay? Fish swim in water with the help of fins and tails. Plants are living things, but plants cannot move from one place to another place, but they show some movements. The touch-me-not plant closes its leaves when we touch it. The sunflower always turns toward the sun. Living things can grow. A baby grows into a child, which grows into a man. The small plant grows into a big tree. A little kitten grows into a cat. Living things need food and water to live. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Animals depend upon plants for their food. Plants make their own food from water, air and sunlight. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe in air through their lungs. Fishes have gills and insects have air holes to breathe. Plants take carbon dioxide from atmosphere. All living things can feel and react. Human and animals have sense organ to feel. Eye, nose, ear, tongue and skin are the sense organ of human beings. Plants can also feel. Plants feel the presence of sunlight and their branches go toward it. All living things can feel weather, cold, hot and rainy. Living things can reproduce. Reproducing is the process in which a living being gives birth to a young one of its own kind. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. Birds lay eggs from which young ones came out and slowly go into adult. Seeds become plants and plants change into a big tree. Non-living things Man-made and natural things are non-living things. Things like table, ball, toy and car are non-living things. Natural things, sun, moon and rocks are non-living things. Warm up. Human beings, plants and animals are living things. Toys, books, car, furniture and buildings are non-living things. Living things can move. Living things grow with the passage of time. All living things breathe and reproduce. Producing young one of its own kind is called reproduction. All living things need food and water to live. All living things can feel and react. Non-living things cannot move, feel, breathe and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food and water. Okay? Bye.